Hey y'all, Scott Waterman here from Design with Scott, Waterman's Loft, and from craftersconvention.com, y'all. So I am so super excited to tell you guys about Crafters Convention, but you guys have heard so much about it that I decided I wanted everybody else to tell you about it. And so in this video, you're going to hear some testimonials from some amazing designers that are building their business and growing their business, and they're going to tell you a little bit about what Crafters Convention has done from them. If you're interested in Crafters Convention, check out craftersconvention.com. Much love to y'all. Be blessed.
Hey y'all, I am Charlotte Dunkel of Country Butterfly Creations, and I'm so excited that you are thinking about coming to Crafters Convention this year. But if you're still on that fence and you're trying to figure out why you should come, well then let me tell you what it helped do for me and my business. I walked in that place thinking that I was just a hobbyist because I only sewed local. That was it. Within 30 minutes, I realized very quickly I was a business. I was a business, y'all. That was some pep in my step, and it got me excited. Well, that just opened up my mind to where I sat there and I took my notes and I listened to what those seasoned veteran crafters and business owners were telling us. When they were telling us things not to do because they have done those, I wrote that stuff down. When there were questions asked in that audience that I would have never thought of asking or even think of, I wrote those down. And I'm so glad I did, because I've actually had some of those things to come up in my business. And if I hadn't been there that weekend to hear what those people did when they experienced these same things, I don't know what would have happened or how long it would have taken me to figure out what I was doing wrong. So, I told you, I only sold local, right? I still really only sell local. Y'all, ready? Since convention, I've doubled my income. I know, I'm a little excited, I'm sorry. But listen, y'all, that's exciting. And if I can do it, you can do it. So listen, I want to see you at convention. I want to see you investing not only in your business, but in yourself. Because you're going to leave not only with those business tips, but with so much more. And if you see me, you see my face? When you see me, I want a hug. I want you to come up, give me a hug, tell me your business name, tell me what motivates you, and why you are so excited to be there. We can't wait to see you. Come and have fun with us. Come hang out and get to learning. Bye, y'all.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tracy with the Sweet Lilly Company, and I just have to tell you, you need to go to Crafters Convention. I have been to the first 2 Crafters Conventions, and I cannot wait for the third. Before the first Crafters Convention, I was totally scared. I was loving creating beautiful things that I thought could be a business for me, but I had no idea how to make that happen. And then I went to the first Crafters Convention, and all of that totally changed for me. I have met so many wonderful people in this community, and they welcome me with open arms and help turn my fear into excitement. Crafters Convention changed me personally, made me grow, made me more confident, and I know it can do that for you too. The tips and tricks that I've learned from the Crafters Convention has helped my business grow, has even made the quality of my work better, and I know it can do that for you too. If you have questions about Etsy or Pinterest, Instagram, even how to take better pictures, there will be someone there to help you with those questions. So if you're scared or if you're on the fence, just jump on over to our community. We can't wait to meet you. So go on over, sign up, and I will see you in March.
Hi, it's Michelle from Monkey's Creations talking about Crafters Convention. I have been to both Crafters Convention 2018 and 2019 and learned so much information to get my business to the next level. I've learned how to monetize YouTube and I'm making money. I've learned how to monetize Facebook and I'm making money. My viewership has gone up tenfold And the sense of community I have from going to these conventions is so awesome. I've got friends for life after going to these things. So go get your ticket. You'll not regret it.
Hi, my name is Linda Colander, and the name of my business is Crafty Creations by Linda. I've been doing home decor and wreaths for about 7 years. In 2018, I heard about the Crafters Convention and Scott Waterman, and I was excited because this convention was in St. Louis, Missouri, which is my hometown. I researched it and did some digging and asked some questions and decided that I would go. I was so thrilled. The convention was just everything that I hoped it would be. I was nervous. I was new as far as this networking goes. And I was going alone. I was meeting people I knew nothing about or had never talked to. And I have to tell you, the 2018 convention was a blast. I had a wonderful time. You have such access to people that has such knowledge that are willing to sit down and talk with you and answer questions. And the friendships that you make are forever friendships. People you can network with, people you can reach out to and ask questions to. Needless to say, I went to the 2019 convention, and they had added the business day at that point, and I gained so much knowledge from that business day that it was well worth the money that I spent on it. And also, needless to say, I am signed up for the 2020 convention, and I am so excited. I'm excited to see my old friends and make new friends, and see what this year's business day holds. For my business, this convention has propelled me to the next level. I'm just so excited. If you can go to the convention, there's no price tag that can be put on the things you will learn and the people you will meet. I'm so looking forward to what they're going to teach this year and what I'm going to learn. It seems like every year just gets better and better. So, if you're on the fence about going, I would say do it. Just do it.
Hello everybody, this is Chris Howery with Ducks in Row Designs in Omaha, Nebraska. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about Crafters Convention 2020. If you're on the fence about attending, I personally think you should go. I wanted to really kind of drill down on what to expect when you go there and what you can look forward to. I personally think it's all about the personal relationships and the friendships that you make when you're there. I have gained so many friends and so many different relationships that I wouldn't have had without attending Crafters Convention. Advice for your business, how to grow your business. I will tell you, things that I learned at Crafters Convention have helped me so much in growing my business. I am so busy right now that it is crazy. I work full time. I am a mother of 2 college students, and I have my craft business. Definitely, if you're on the fence, you need to go. You'll be learning different business growth opportunities, things that advice for your business. You'll be making learning different techniques on how to do things. You'll have make and takes. So, and then of course the personal relationship. So again, if you're on the fence, I think you should go. I'm going. So if you have watched this video and you would like to come and say hello to me, please do so. I would love to meet you.
Stacy with Chaotic Crafting Boutique. I had never been to a convention ever. I took the opportunity to go to Crafters Convention, and that has forever changed my business and my life. I was suffering from depression and financial hardship. Took the chance, went to Crafters Convention. I'd always been crafty, always wanted a crafting business, just wasn't sure how to get there. At Crafters Convention, I found the love and support of other crafters and business owners and took their advice and what I had learned on business day at Crafters Convention and come home, put it to work. And I went from making $0 to being able to pay my bills and have a little extra money. I have a long way to go from where I want to be, but with the support from my forever friends that I have made by attending Crafters Convention, I'll get there. I will forever be grateful for Scott and Chris and their Crafters Convention. It has forever changed my life. I want to thank them because without them in this opportunity, I don't know where I would be today. Come to Crafters Convention. You won't regret it.
Wow, how amazing was that? I just love hearing their testimonies. I hope you loved it as well. I hope it's inspired you or made you think about whether you should attend the Crafters Convention or not. We hope to see you there. Much love. Be blessed.